Hi guys, good afternoon. We'll be featuring ATHENA Model Unit Golden Horizon. And anyway, I'm Sonnydi Boncodin from BS Concha Realty, accredited real estate salesperson. And today, ang naka-promo po or naka-flexipay, extended DP equity si ATHENA until this end of June 2021. So this is the actual turnover unit guys. Kung ano po yung nakikita nyo dito sa video, ganyan na po talaga ang kanyang deliverables. Almost complete po ang turnover ni ATHENA. You will find out later bakit ko po nasabing almost complete. It's because although very spacious naman talaga si ATHENA at wala na pong problema dito. Kita-kita nyo naman po napakaganda ng turnover ng ATHENA ng Golden Horizon. Napakaluwag nito compared to other projects na medyo malitang space. So this is what I'm talking about guys. To my future clients, ito po ang actual turnover ni ATHENA. Wala lang po siyang tiles or even a granite or even a vinyl plank sa second floor. Ito yung medyo kulang or lacking dito sa ating ATHENA. Anything else, wala na po. Napakaganda nito, napakaluwag, very spacious, very competitive to other projects na hawak namin. Complete amenities, very competitive sa location din, napakalawak, presko. Then ito po yung sample computation for extended DP equity ni ATHENA as of June until end of this month. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel for more upcoming video house tour, and for other details just message me directly to my account. God bless and bye for now. Thank you.